The signal from deep space, a mystery that defies explanation. It was a quiet summer night on August 15th, 1977. The stars shone brightly over the Ohio State University Radio Observatory, known as the Big Ear. For most of the night, it was business as usual, just another routine scan of the cosmos, listening for whispers from the void. But then, at exactly 11:16 p.m., something extraordinary happened. A sharp, intense signal was detected, louder and clearer than anything ever recorded. It lasted precisely 72 seconds before vanishing forever. The man on duty that night, astronomer Jerry Amon, circled the numbers on the printout and wrote one simple word in red ink. Oh, this was no ordinary radio wave. It was powerful, structured, and came from deep space near the Sagittarius constellation. But what made it truly strange was its frequency, 1420 megahertz, the exact natural frequency of hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. Many scientists believed that if an intelligent civilization were to send a signal, they would likely use this frequency. But who or what sent it? Searching for answers. For decades, scientists have tried to explain the wow signal, but every attempt to identify its source has led to dead ends. Could it have been a natural cosmic phenomenon, a pulsar, a quasar, a signal bouncing off a distant asteroid? All these possibilities were investigated and rejected. Nothing in space produces such a perfectly narrow-band signal at that frequency. Some skeptics suggested earthly interference, but the Big Ear telescope had two separate receivers, both of which detected the signal independently. If the source had been local, it would have appeared in both channels, but it didn't. The signal had come from deep space. And then came the biggest mystery of all. It never repeated. Unlike radio signals from pulsars or cosmic background noise, the wow signal was a one-time event. Scientists aimed telescopes at the same spot in the sky year after year, hoping to catch even the faintest echo. But there was nothing. Was it a message from an alien civilization? Some astronomers have argued that this signal could have been a deliberate message from extraterrestrials, an attempt to reach out across the vastness of space. The reasoning? The signal was extremely strong and focused, not something that occurs naturally. It was detected at 1420 megahertz, a frequency that many believe is ideal for interstellar communication. It appeared suddenly and disappeared completely, as if someone had turned a transmitter on and then off. If this was an alien transmission, then why haven't we heard from them again? Could it have been a stray ping from a dying civilization, a brief moment when their technology aligned perfectly with ours before vanishing forever? Or did they get our response and decide to remain silent? A strange new theory. In 2017, exactly 40 years later, a new theory emerged. Researchers suggested that the wow signal might have come from a comet, specifically one that was emitting hydrogen in a way that mimicked an artificial signal. But there's a problem with this idea. The comet in question wasn't in the right position during the event. No other comet has ever produced a signal like this. So, was it really just a cosmic coincidence? Or is it something we still don't understand? The signal that changed everything. Even though the wow signal remains unexplained, it transformed the way we search for intelligent life in the universe. Today, powerful telescopes scan the sky 24/7, listening for signals that could indicate alien civilizations. Projects like the Breakthrough Listen Initiative and the SETI Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence Institute are actively searching for the next wow. But here's the unsettling truth. If an advanced civilization were to contact us, how would we know? Would they use radio waves like we do? Or have they already moved on to a form of communication so advanced that we can't even detect it? What if they've already received our signals and chosen to ignore us? Or perhaps, just perhaps, they're waiting for the right moment to respond. Maybe the next wow signal will come tomorrow. Or maybe we've already missed it.